So today I'm going to teach you a new activity we're introducing this week in kindergarten. It's called Grab Bag More or Less. It's played with two kids. The first kid reaches in, pulls out his cubes, and puts them down. The second kid pulls out their cubes and puts them down. Then they each build a train of cubes. Then the first person puts their train down, and the second person puts their train down. Then they put their trains side by side to see who has more or less. So in this situation, I grabbed the exact same number of cubes. So I'm just going to add a cube to show you what we're talking about. That happens sometimes. They end up with the same. They talk about it, dump it, and start over. So I look here, I can say the red has more than the blue. So then I'm going to come in here, and I'm going to spin, and it landed on less than. So whoever had the blue cubes would then get a link, because they get a point. Then they would dump their cubes back in the bucket, reach in again, grab a handful of cubes, another handful of cubes, and then you build a train again. Looks like I'm really good at pulling out 4 cubes at a time. If you notice, I pulled out 4 of the blue ones, so I had to add a little extra. And then they would look again to see. And they would say, oh, blue has more than red. So they have greater than, and this one's less than. Then I would spin again and landed on less than. So now red would link. The activity is done. They finish when they all have gotten 10 links. So once one person ends up with 10 links, they've gotten 10 points. And then they stop, dump the links back in, and they can play the game again. At home, you can change it to where you can pull out coins, you can pull out cars, anything like that. The idea is for them to look at which one's more than less than. And you could just put on a little slip of piece of paper, greater than and less than, have them pull it out of a hat, and you can play this activity at home. If you have any questions, let me know. I hope you enjoy this activity. Thank you.